What's 1? Why is there a 1? Yeah. That's the cost of investment. What's the cost of a unit of capital? 1 unit of consumption. It's the price of capital. Yeah, except for ours isn't even stochastic. Ours is less sophisticated than that. It's just like the discount factor, right? There's no stochastic element to it. It's the cost of a unit of investment, which is 1 unit of consumption, has to be equal to the present value at market prices of the extra consumption that unit of capital will produce, right? That capital over its lifetime has to produce back for you the same value as you put in, right? That's all it is. It's just that simple expression. It says the value of a unit of capital in terms of its future payoffs has to be equal to the cost of investment, which is 1 unit of consumption. Right? It's a very simple consumption-based valuation of the capital returns. Okay? You could call this an efficient markets hypothesis. You call it a zillion different things you want. They're all the same thing, right? It's how you value a basket of fruit, right? Right? There's nothing special about stochastic or time or any of those things, right? This is the way you value a basket of anything. You multiply them by their prices and you add them up. That's how you value, right? If I had a basket of groceries, what do they do when you go to the front of the grocery store? Right? They scan all the items and they add them up and they give you a bill. That's what this is. That's all this is. It's just basket of groceries. This is the groceries in the cart. These are the prices of the groceries, and they add them up. 3 cans of tuna and, 4 pounds of oranges and, a box of Tide. That's really all that's going on here. There's nothing else. There's nothing else. It's all that. That's all there is. All right? People understand? It's the same formula. All right? Anyway, so the guy at the grocery store knows how to do all this stuff. So he just doesn't realize it. That's all. Okay. All right.